I'm sure our investor has told you a lot about Fiji and what we're doing in COP23. We, right now, there's a category 4, category 5 hurricane hitting not Cuba? Puerto Rico. And I understand I'm meeting Puerto Rico last time, so. Well, I told friends of ours in the last couple of days that those pictures and video clips coming out of CNN and BBC is very familiar to Fijians because we went through the same thing last year when Hurricane Wilson, category 5, hit us and took out 1/3 of our GDP. Killed 44 of our people and took out our agriculture, infrastructure. So we're starting all over again. We're starting to rebuild, but we've learned our lessons. We're starting to build back better. It's going to take a while to rebuild those schools and especially public hospitals. So there you go. But, we're looking forward to Bonn. There's, as you know, she would have told you about pre-COP. But we have a pre-COP meeting, I'm going to jump again. We have a pre-COP meeting in Nadi, in Nadi in Fiji, on the 16th, 17th?
17th and 18th, but the NDC Partnership Day is on the 16th.
On the 16th. So we're looking forward to seeing as many of you come out there and enjoy a bit of sunshine. Not that there's no sunshine out here. We were told that it's going to be 16 degrees, 18 degrees in New York for the UNGA, and it's warmed up pretty quickly. So you can't really predict the weather nowadays. It's getting warm every time you walk out there. For those of you that haven't been to Fiji, it's not too far. I keep telling everyone. It's a 2-movie flight. And 2 Fiji beer. Probably big beers for some of you. But you'll enjoy it. Come home and enjoy Fiji sunshine. And we look forward to seeing you all. Last night I attended a dinner hosted by Governor Jerry Brown, who was also there. And I signed on behalf of Fiji, I signed under 2 coalition, what we call under 2 coalition that he put together in the last few months. It was wonderful to get the support of state and non-state actors and NGOs. So I look forward to seeing many of you out there. You must forgive me, I have to go next door and talk to some friends of ours and hopefully get the support. So I hope you'll support us for COP23 in Bonn this year. Thank you. God bless you all.
About your expectations for COP23, and it's really as simple and straightforward as that. Have a document that says we respect women and we want to integrate women, and then that doesn't translate